What's up, you guys? I'm going to be playing Slitherio, and today we're just going to see if we can maybe make it on the leaderboard or so, because I'm playing this on the mobile version, and I'm just going to start out by saying I am not the best. Let's do a nice purple and green skin, and let's do snake or no, never mind. Let's do snake, rocket launcher. Looks nice. Okay. Let's go. So far we have an okay spawn. Let's not die. There's an idea. Going. Who do you think you are, Tony? Oh, Tony, you came close. Oh, who are you? Who are you, I think? Oh, hello there, Mr. Dacio. Look who just died. Tony did. At least I think that's what his name was.
You take me to that special kind of place.
Mr. Red, I don't know who you think you are, or who you think you work for, or how important and special you think you really are. Whatever you think. Okay. I'm back. And that never happened. Okay, so this is the first time playing, yeah. And let's just gobble up all these out. Who are you? Oh, dang it, I thought he was about to die. Just keep swimming. You're a snake. Snake slither. They don't swim. Don't swim. Get direct. When you play Slitherio, you change your name to just keep swimming. When you realize that snakes don't swim, they slither, you want to kill yourself. When you want to kill yourself, your parents stop you. When your parents stop you, you get mad. Don't get mad, get DirecTV. Why do I make these videos? Oh yeah, it's because I hate myself. Okay, and I think I'm in a trap. How did you... Let me just get one question. How did you just survive, Mr. Mexico? Don't try no funny stuff on me. The guy in Mexico about to build a wall because Donald Trump. You ain't gonna get me today. Not Border Patrol, not nobody. About to die? You about to die? Nope, just gonna kill someone. Oh no, not falling for that trap. Oh, perfect, never. Mexico, so we need to get. Oh my goodness. Let's get all that. Oh, sorry. Oh, I thought you were gonna die. Oh my god. So many body fluids, like stomach fluids, just went around in my stomach at that second. Yummy. All of that just for me. Wow. 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 Oh. We're at currently at 5,000 math. Number 10 is 9,000. So we gotta get about, let's not die right there. We have to get, okay, let me think, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4,000. I don't know how to math, so don't yell at me. Mr. America. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna kill you. I thought I was gonna be special. But I was 420, smoke weed every day. I might be a little late on that. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Not die. Okay. Okay, I thought you were gonna go for that. And what you gonna do when the... I thought I just died right there. Nope, but I killed him. Just making sure nobody's in front of me. Oh my god, I got like pretty much most of that. Oh my god, I love myself. Nope, we're not on the leaderboard yet. Yet. You always use the word yet, that's because we are. Not just a dream. Soon enough, it's gonna become not a fantasy. But we're dying. Okay, no, what am I trying to say? I'm not good with inspirational quotes. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't come up with stuff on the spot like this. I ain't DJ Khaled. I ain't no hairy man in the shower telling you what the major key to life is. So yeah, oh, don't even try me. Let him. Swear to God. Swear to God. I swear. This is why we hit him nice things. Jacksepticeye, this is why. Nope. Yes. Just stop. You're so bad at singing. Well, we got to 9,954. And I'm just gonna go cry myself to sleep now.